Meanwhile, many would think that the Congress would also be deliberating on the momentous loss where Maharashtra was concerned. After a stunning sweep of the Mahayuti in Maharashtra, Prime Minister Modi today launched a scathing attack on the Congress on the very first day of Parliament's winter session, hitting out at the opposition. He said that rejecting netas are trying to hijack Parliament by creating disruptions in the House. Here's more.
Riding the high of Maha-tsunami, Prime Minister Modi walked into the first day of Parliament winter session, breathing fire at the opposition.
जिनको जनता ने अस्वीकार किया है, वे संसद को भी मुट्ठी भर लोगों के हुड़दंगबाजी से कंट्रोल करने का लगातार प्रयास कर रहे हैं। देश की जनता उनके सारे व्यवहारों को काउंट करती है और जब समय आता है तो सजा भी देती है।
The focus on Narendra Modi's attack was the Congress and Rahul Gandhi. The Prime Minister taunted the Congress for losing nearly 90 elections since 2014.
80-90 बार जनता ने जिनको लगातार नकार दिया है, वे न संसद में चर्चा होने देते हैं, न लोकतंत्र की भावना का सम्मान करते हैं, न ही वह लोगों की आकांक्षाओं का कोई महत्व समझते हैं, उनका उसके प्रति कोई दायित्व है वो कोई समझ पाते हैं। और उसका परिणाम है वो जनता की उम्मीदों पर कभी भी खरे नहीं उतरते हैं और परिणाम स्वरूप जनता को बार बार उनको रिजेक्ट करना पड़ रहा है।
The big Maharashtra verdict has also given fresh momentum to Modi's Viksit Bharat mission. The Prime Minister hinted at his government's first big task.
संविधान में वक्फ कानून का कोई स्थान ही नहीं है। कांग्रेस ने तुष्टीकरण के लिए कानून बनाए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश तक की परवाह नहीं की।
The other big focus on the Modi government will be pushing through one nation, one poll.
One nation, one election is something whose idea is an idea whose time has come. When we went campaigning, even during this election, a lot of people were saying that, look, why do we have an election every few months? So we had an election in June, one in November. We'll soon have a municipal corporation election in Mumbai. 3 elections in less than a year's time. And I think the people gradually lose interest. And I think this is all a huge waste of manpower, waste of time, waste of money.
For Rahul Gandhi and the Congress that scripted its worst ever performance in Maharashtra, the results calls for some serious overhaul in strategy. The resurgence of the general election has been exhausted.
पहले नरेंद्र मोदी जी छाती फैला के आते थे, अब नरेंद्र मोदी जी ऐसे आते हैं।
Post 2024, Rahul Gandhi has continued to expend his energies with attacks on the Adani Group, brandished the constitution and repeatedly warned that the BJP was endangering the constitution.
एक है तो सेफ है, एक कौन है? एक नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं, अदानी जी हैं, अमित शाह जी हैं। सेफ है तो कौन सेफ है? अदानी जी सेफ हैं।
Prime Minister has already declared that the Maharashtra win was a victory of good governance and development. Modi and his government will now be going full throttle in that direction. Bureau Report, India Today.